Welcome, kindergarten, to our sight word day 3. Let's go ahead and get started here. If you have access to a printer and want to print out the worksheet, go ahead. If you're just following along with me, that's great. We're going to go ahead and get moving here. So let's take a look at our word. How many letters does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome job. Friends, do we have any tall letters? Yes, what are they? H. Good. Do we have any small letters? We do. How many do we have? 3. And what are they? A, V, and E. Awesome job. Do we have any basement letters? No. All right, here we go, friends. We have H, A, V, E. This word is have. Let's swipe read it together. So if you're at home on your worksheet, put your finger underneath your H. If you're working on your computer or your iPad, put your finger right underneath the H, point to it for me, and let's swipe read. Ready? 1, 2, 3, have. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, have. Awesome job. All right, let's get out those pencils. If you have your worksheet, if you're following along with me, finger in the air, you're going to skywrite the word have. H, A, V, E. Good job. Swap out those pencils for a crayon. Remember, we use yellow here if you have your worksheet at home. If you're following along the video, please get your clapping hands ready. We're going to clap the word have to see how many syllables we have. Ready? Here we go. Have. Let's try it again. Have. Good. How many times did we clap when we said the word have? 1. So what bubble are we going to fill in? Go ahead and point to your screen at home if you're following along with the video. You should have pointed to this bubble. Good. So let's color this one in. Good. And for coloring today, I'm going to use orange. We're going to color in the word have. Say it with me. H, A, V, E. Good job. If you have your worksheet, you're going to want to put your crayon down and swap out for your pencil. If you're following along with me, give me a thumbs up if you're ready to move on. All right, here we go. We're going to trace. So get your pencils ready or have your finger in the air to skywrite. H, A, V, E. Awesome work. Let's move on to this box over here and spell it. Remember, we have a tall box, so think about what you're going to put here. And then 3 small boxes, so think about the letters you're going to put in these ones. And let's spell the word have together. Ready? H, A, V, E. Great work. Let's find the word have 3 times down below. If you're working on your worksheet, you may begin circling. If you're following along with me, go ahead and point to the word have or circle on your screen 3 times. All right, you've had some time, so I'm going to go ahead and circle on my screen. Have, and one more, have. Great job. All right, time to tell it. You can turn to mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, brother and sister. You can say it to me. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, have. Check mark in the box or in the air if you're following along. Great job. All right, again, friends, our word is H-A-V-E. The word is have. Stay tuned for tomorrow. I'll have a new video for you. Enjoy the rest of your day.